Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into the world of common GPU issues. This will be a comprehensive tutorial, covering various problems, potential causes, diagnostic techniques, and some code examples to illustrate how you might encounter and attempt to handle certain situations. Disclaimer: GPU troubleshooting can be complex and sometimes requires hardware-level expertise. This tutorial is for educational purposes and covers common problems. More advanced issues might require professional assistance. Introduction to common GPU problems. GPUs are vital components for graphics rendering, game playing, video editing, and increasingly, for general-purpose computing, tasks like machine learning. They are also complex pieces of hardware. Because of this, a myriad of problems can arise. Here's a breakdown of some of the most frequently encountered GPU issues. Driver problems. Corrupted, outdated, or incompatible drivers are the most common culprits. These issues can manifest as crashes, glitches, poor performance, and even system instability. Overheating. Excessive heat can cause throttling, reduced performance to prevent damage, crashes, visual artifacts, and even permanent hardware failure. Hardware failure. Physical damage, manufacturing defects, or component degradation can lead to complete GPU failure or intermittent problems. Memory problems. VRAM issues with the GPU's dedicated video memory, VRAM, can cause texture corruption, crashes, and performance degradation. Power supply issues. Insufficient or unstable power can cause GPU instability, crashes, and failure to boot. Compatibility problems. Conflicts with other hardware or software can lead to GPU-related issues. Artifacts. These are visual anomalies that appear on the screen, often indicating VRAM problems or overheating. Crashes. The system suddenly freezing or displaying a blue screen, BSOD on Windows, can be caused by GPU errors. Performance degradation. The GPU performs slower than expected, especially in games or graphics-intensive applications. No display. The monitor doesn't receive any signal from the GPU. 2. Detailed explanation of each problem with causes and symptoms. 1. Driver problems. Causes. Outdated drivers. GPU drivers are constantly updated to fix bugs, improve performance, and add support for new games and features. Older drivers might lack compatibility with newer software. Corrupted drivers. Drivers can become corrupted due to software conflicts, incomplete installations, or system errors. Incompatible drivers. Installing a driver designed for a different GPU model or operating system version can lead to major problems. Driver conflicts. Multiple drivers, example from different GPU vendors, can conflict with each other. Symptoms. Crashes, especially during gaming or graphics-intensive tasks. Blue screen of death, BSOD, errors with GPU-related error codes, example video_TDR_failure, driver_IRQL_not_less_or_equal. Visual glitches and artifacts. Poor performance. Games not launching or experiencing graphical errors. System instability. Code 43 error in device manager, Windows. Troubleshooting. Update drivers. Download and install the latest drivers from the GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Asterisk clean uninstall and reinstall asterisk use a utility like display driver uninstaller, DDU, to completely remove old drivers before installing new ones. This ensures no conflicting files remain. Asterisk roll back drivers asterisk if a recent driver update causes problems, roll back to a previous version that worked correctly. Asterisk safe mode asterisk boot into safe mode to uninstall or update drivers without interference from other software. Asterisk example, Python, although driver management isn't directly Python related. While you can't directly manage GPU drivers with Python, you can use Python to check driver versions or automate tasks related to driver updates, though it's more common to use system tools or command line utilities. This Python script demonstrates how you can retrieve the GPU driver version on Windows using the UMIC command line tool. It's a basic example. More complex scripting could be used to compare versions against a known good version or to automate downloading updates from a URL, though that would be a more complex task. Remember to handle errors properly. 2. Overheating asterisk. Asterisk causes asterisk. Asterisk insufficient cooling asterisk poor airflow, clogged fans, or a failing cooling solution can prevent the GPU from dissipating heat effectively. Asterisk overclocking asterisk running the GPU at higher clock speeds than its default settings generates more heat. Asterisk high ambient temperature asterisk a hot room can contribute to GPU overheating. Asterisk dust accumulation asterisk dust buildup on the heatsink and fans reduces cooling efficiency. Asterisk increased workload asterisk running computationally intensive tasks for extended periods. Asterisk symptoms asterisk. Asterisk throttling, the GPU automatically reduces its clock speed to prevent damage from overheating, leading to reduced performance. Asterisk crashes, the system might crash when the GPU reaches a critical temperature. Asterisk visual artifacts, distorted or flickering images. Asterisk system shutdowns, the system might shut down to prevent damage. Asterisk loud fan noise, the GPU fans might spin at maximum speed to try to cool the GPU. Asterisk GPU temperature exceeding recommended limits, check with monitoring software. Asterisk troubleshooting asterisk. Asterisk check cooling asterisk inspect the GPU's heatsink and fans for dust and debris. Clean them carefully with compressed air. Asterisk improve airflow asterisk ensure good airflow inside the computer case. Add case fans or reposition existing ones. Asterisk reapply thermal paste asterisk if you are comfortable doing so, remove the GPU cooler, clean the old thermal paste from the GPU die, and apply fresh thermal paste. This can significantly improve heat transfer. Asterisk reduce overclocking asterisk if you have overclocked the GPU, revert to the default clock speeds. Asterisk monitor temperatures asterisk use monitoring software like MSI Afterburner, HW Monitor, or GPU-Z to track GPU temperatures. Consult the GPU manufacturer's specifications for safe temperature ranges. Asterisk water cooling asterisk consider a water cooling solution for more efficient heat dissipation, especially for high-end GPUs or overclocked systems. Asterisk example, Python with sutil for CPU/overall system info, GPU temp monitoring usually requires vendor-specific libraries. While you cannot directly access GPU temperature information portably across all GPUs using standard Python libraries, you can use sutil to get a general overview of system temperatures and CPU usage, which can correlate with GPU usage. For GPU temperature specifically, you'll need libraries specific to your GPU vendor, example Py3NVML for NVIDIA. Key improvements and explanations. Asterisk sutil.cpu_%, interval equals 1, asterisk this is the correct way to get CPU usage as a percentage. The interval equals 1 makes it sample CPU usage over 1 second, giving you a meaningful reading. *sensors_temperatures, this retrieves temperature readings from various sensors on the system. Importantly, the availability of this information depends entirely on the system's hardware and drivers. It might return an empty dictionary if no temperature sensors are detected. *error handling *the try, except keyboard interrupt block allows the user to gracefully stop the monitoring loop by pressing Ctrl+C. *clearer output the code prints CPU usage and, if available, detailed temperature information, including the sensor name, current temperature, high temperature threshold, and critical temperature threshold. Explanation of limitations. The code is more explicit about the limitations of getting temperature data and the need for vendor-specific tools for GPU temperatures. Interval. The script now waits for 5 seconds between readings to prevent excessive resource usage. To get GPU temperature information, you would typically need to use a library like Py3NVML, for NVIDIA GPUs, or AMD's equivalent library, which often requires accessing their SDK. Here's a basic example using Py3NVML. Requires pip install Py3NVML. The NVML init, and NVML shutdown, calls initialize and shut down the NVML library. NVML device get handle by index 0, gets a handle to the first NVIDIA GPU in the system, index 0. NVML device get temperature, retrieves the temperature in degrees Celsius. Error handling is included. A finally block is used to ensure that NVML shutdown is called, even if errors occur. This is important to release resources held by the NVML library. 3. Hardware failure causes physical damage dropping the GPU, bending pins, or other physical damage can cause it to fail. Manufacturing defects rarely, GPUs can have manufacturing defects that cause them to fail prematurely. Component degradation over time, components on the GPU can degrade due to heat, electrical stress, or other factors. Power surges power surges can damage the GPU's circuitry. Symptoms no display, the monitor doesn't receive any signal from the GPU. System won't boot, the system might not post power on self-test, if the GPU is completely failed. Frequent crashes, unpredictable crashes, especially during graphics-intensive tasks. Visual artifacts, persistent distortions or glitches on the screen, even with fresh drivers. Burning smell, a burning smell coming from the computer case could indicate a serious hardware failure. Troubleshooting visual inspection carefully inspect the GPU for any signs of physical damage, such as broken components or bent pins. Test in another system if possible, test the GPU in another computer to see if it works. This helps determine if the problem is with the GPU itself or with the original system. Test another GPU test another working GPU in the original system to see if the problem is with the motherboard or other components. Warranty if the GPU is still under warranty, contact the manufacturer for a replacement. Note hardware failure is often difficult to diagnose without specialized equipment. In many cases, replacement is the only solution. There's not much in the way of code you can use to diagnose outright hardware failure, beyond basic system information gathering, which is covered elsewhere. For memory problems, VRAM. Causes Asterisk defective VRAM chips. Asterisk VRAM chips can have manufacturing defects or can fail over time. Asterisk overclocking. Asterisk overclocking the VRAM can cause it to overheat and become unstable. Asterisk insufficient cooling. Asterisk like the GPU core, VRAM also needs adequate cooling. Asterisk excessive heat. Asterisk prolonged exposure to high temperatures can damage VRAM. Asterisk symptoms. Asterisk texture corruption. Textures in games or applications might appear distorted, missing, or corrupted. Asterisk crashes. The system might crash during graphics-intensive tasks. Asterisk artifacts. Strange patterns or colors might appear on the screen. Asterisk performance degradation. VRAM errors can lead to significant performance drops. Asterisk out-of-memory errors. Even when the system has sufficient RAM, VRAM issues can trigger out-of-memory errors. Asterisk troubleshooting. Asterisk reduce overclocking. Asterisk if you have overclocked the VRAM, revert to the default clock speeds. Asterisk monitor temperatures. Asterisk use monitoring software to track VRAM temperatures, if possible. Not all monitoring tools provide this information. Asterisk run memory tests. Asterisk some utilities, like memtest.cl, for OpenCL-compatible GPUs, can test VRAM for errors. However, these tests are not always conclusive. Asterisk lower graphics settings. Asterisk reducing the graphics settings in games can reduce the VRAM usage and potentially mitigate the problem. Asterisk test with different applications. Asterisk see if the VRAM issues occur in multiple applications or just in one specific game. Asterisk check for driver issues. Asterisk try different GPU drivers to see if the issue is driver related. Asterisk example, Python, interfacing with a VRAM test is difficult without direct access to the GPU's memory controller. You can use OpenCL to run basic memory tests, but it's important to note that these tests are not exhaustive and might not catch all VRAM errors. You'll need to install an OpenCL implementation, example from your GPU vendor. This is a complex topic, so this example provides a basic framework and requires significant adaptation based on your specific hardware. Key improvements and explanations. Asterisk error handling. Asterisk includes robust try, except blocks to catch CL error, OpenCL specific errors, and generic exceptions. This is crucial because OpenCL operations can fail for various reasons, example device not found, memory allocation errors. Asterisk data initialization. Asterisk the data array is now initialized with random uint32 values using np.random.randint. This is important because filling the buffer with consistent values can sometimes mask memory errors. Filling it with different values makes errors more detectable. Asterisk mem_flags.copy_host_ptr. Asterisk the cl mem_flags.copy_host_ptr flag tells OpenCL to allocate memory on the GPU and copy the contents of the data array from the host, CPU, memory to the GPU memory during the CL buffer creation. This is a more efficient way to initialize the GPU buffer than creating an empty buffer and then copying data separately. Asterisk q.finish. Asterisk the q.finish call ensures that all OpenCL commands submitted to the command queue have completed before the script proceeds to compare the data. This is vital because OpenCL operations are asynchronous. Without q.finish, the script might try to compare the data before the copy operation has finished, leading to incorrect results. Asterisk np.array_equal, asterisk uses np.array_equal, for a reliable comparison of the data arrays. Direct comparison, equals, can be problematic for NumPy arrays. Asterisk clearer output. Asterisk the output messages are more informative, indicating the size of the tested memory and whether the test passed or failed. Asterisk simplified example asterisk the example focuses on the core memory transfer and comparison logic. More complex memory tests might involve different patterns of writing and reading, error correction techniques, and more sophisticated memory access patterns. Asterisk explanation of limitations asterisk this method is relatively basic and might not detect subtle memory errors. It also allocates a large block of memory, which might be problematic if the GPU has limited VRAM or if other applications are already using VRAM. Real-world VRAM testing involves more advanced techniques. 5 Power supply issues asterisk. Asterisk causes asterisk. Asterisk insufficient wattage asterisk the power supply unit, PSU, might not have enough wattage to meet the GPU's power requirements, especially during gaming or other demanding tasks. Asterisk PSU degradation asterisk PSUs can degrade over time, delivering less power than their rated specifications. Asterisk faulty PSU asterisk the PSU itself might be faulty, providing unstable voltage or current. Asterisk loose connections asterisk loose power connectors to the GPU or motherboard can cause problems. Asterisk symptoms asterisk. Asterisk crashes, the system might crash or shut down suddenly, especially under load. Asterisk black screen, the screen might go black, and the system might become unresponsive. Asterisk system won't boot, the system might not boot at all. Asterisk GPU not recognized, the GPU might not be recognized by the system. Asterisk error messages related to power supply issues might appear. Asterisk overheating, an undersized or failing PSU can cause the GPU to draw more current than it should, leading to overheating. Asterisk troubleshooting asterisk. Asterisk check PSU wattage asterisk ensure that the PSU has sufficient wattage for the GPU and the rest of the system. Use a PSU calculator to estimate the required wattage. Asterisk check connections asterisk make sure all power connectors to the GPU and motherboard are securely connected. Asterisk test with another PSU asterisk if possible, test the system with a known good PSU of sufficient wattage. Asterisk monitor voltages asterisk use monitoring software or a multimeter to check the PSU's voltage outputs. Asterisk replace PSU asterisk if the PSU is old or suspect, replace it with a new one of appropriate wattage and quality. Asterisk note asterisk power supply problems can be difficult to diagnose definitively. If you suspect a PSU issue, it's best to test with a known good PSU. There's nothing you can really do code-wise to definitively test for a faulty PSU. 6 Compatibility problems. Asterisk causes asterisk. Asterisk motherboard incompatibility asterisk older motherboards may not support newer GPUs, example due to BIOS limitations or PCIe generation differences. Asterisk operating system issues asterisk older operating systems may lack driver support for new GPUs. Asterisk software conflicts asterisk conflicts between different software applications or drivers can interfere with GPU functionality. Asterisk symptoms asterisk. Asterisk system fails to boot or crashes frequently. Asterisk GPU is not recognized by the operating system. Asterisk graphical glitches or artifacts. Asterisk poor performance or instability. Asterisk troubleshooting asterisk. Asterisk update motherboard BIOS asterisk check the motherboard manufacturer's website for BIOS updates that improve GPU compatibility. Asterisk use a compatible operating system asterisk ensure the operating system is supported by the GPU. Asterisk identify and resolve software conflicts asterisk try uninstalling recently installed software to identify potential conflicts. Asterisk test the GPU in another system asterisk to verify that the card is good. 3. General troubleshooting tips. Start with the basics. Ensure that the GPU is properly seated in the PCIe slot and that all power connectors are securely connected. Check the manual. Consult the GPU manufacturer's manual for troubleshooting tips and specifications. Monitor temperatures. Use monitoring software to track GPU temperatures and fan speeds. Stress test. Use a GPU stress test utility, like FurMark, Unigeny Heaven, or 3D Mark, to put the GPU under load and see if it crashes or exhibits any problems. Keep the system clean. Regularly clean the computer case and GPU to prevent dust buildup. Update everything. Keep the operating system, drivers, and BIOS up to date. System restore. If a recent software change caused the problem, try using system restore to revert to a previous state. Event viewer. Windows. Check the Windows Event Viewer for error messages related to the GPU. This can provide clues about the cause of the problem. Seek professional help. If you are unable to diagnose or fix the problem yourself, consult a qualified computer technician. 4. Code examples, limitations and caveats. As you've seen in the examples, directly interacting with GPU hardware and low-level functions from Python is limited without using vendor-specific libraries or APIs. These examples illustrate how you can gather system information, like CPU usage and temperature, run basic OpenCL tests, and retrieve GPU driver versions. However, for more in-depth GPU diagnostics, you'll typically need to rely on tools and utilities provided by the GPU manufacturers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Important considerations. Privilege. Accessing GPU hardware and drivers often requires administrator or root privileges. Dependencies. Make sure you have the necessary libraries, example sutil, PyOpenCL, Py3nvml, installed before running the code examples. Error handling. Always include proper error handling to catch exceptions and prevent the program from crashing. Hardware specific. Some of the code examples might be specific to certain GPU vendors or operating systems. Limitations. These examples are intended for educational purposes and might not be suitable for production environments. By understanding the common GPU issues and following the troubleshooting steps, you'll be better equipped to diagnose and resolve problems with your GPU. Remember to prioritize safety and seek professional help when necessary. Good luck.